Ready to transform your hygiene department? Customize a perio-focused hygiene roadmap. Raise periodontal awareness. Overcome personal and practice obstacles. Master communication so patients say yes to treatment. Streamline your scheduling to achieve daily goals. Empower and incentivize your hygienists. Reduce insurance rejections. Increase hygiene production by 30 to 50%. Achieve 22% pay over production averages. Increase case acceptance. And empower and inspire your team. Empower your team, elevate patient care. Sign up today for SPS Dental Academy Results-Driven Hygiene Workshop.